your GPS to black-owned spirits.
It is day 15 of Veda.
Guys, thank y'all per usual, as we say every video, for rocking with us for the past 15 days, guys. Man, it really warms our heart to hear all the great comments and people saying they're gonna remake the cocktails that we've been presenting, and people love it and they want to try it and all this type of stuff. And the channel is steadily, moving and increasing and growing, guys. So thank y'all so much for rocking with us. This channel, Sippin with Me Now, is the spin-off channel to our flagship channel, which is Me and I. And on this channel, we're gonna be remaking cocktails using black-owned spirits. We will be unboxing, reviewing, taste testing, interviewing black owners and CEOs and black-owned products, so you can be aware and show love to all these amazing spirits. So for the next 31 days, starting on the 1st of August, we will be recreating your favorite cocktails using black-owned spirits. Again, tell them what we're doing today, baby. Y'all probably already see. When you see this cup, you already know what time it is, but go ahead and tell them, baby.
Only one thing can be made in this cup, and that is the Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule, guys. And today's product we're gonna be making this with is another black-owned brand out of DC. It's called 716 Vodka. 716 Vodka. We will do a full review on this at another time, another video, but today we're gonna focus on the cocktail. But the cocktail we'll be using, the brand we'll be using, is 716, guys. So without further ado, let's make a Moscow Mule. All right, guys, so there you have it, a Moscow Mule. Let's taste and see what's hitting on. You wanna sit this thing first, baby? You wanna sit this thing?
You go first.
Wow. I see why they want you to use ginger beer versus ginger ale. It gives a little kick. A Moscow Mule, guys, literally 3 ingredients. Vodka, in this case I use 2-ounce vodka, 1 ounce lemon lime juice. Some people you do a squeeze lime, and then cap it off with ginger beer. Now again, you could use a ginger ale, but all the research, they want you to stick with ginger beer. Now I see why. That ginger beer gives it that little hidden heat. But this is really good. Man, I gotta stop showing some respect to straws. Here you go, baby. Go sip that thing, baby. Go sip that thing. Stop playing with it. Y'all get that little cute little, Share that thing, baby. Pour some in here, baby. On that Sippin Me Now cup, baby. Don't share that thing. That's good. That's good. That's cool. This is how me do it. Every time she get a drink. I like it, me.
I like the cup.
Stranger in Moscow. Man, this is fire, y'all. So, 3 ingredients, guys. No excuse. Ginger beer, vodka, lime juice, squeezing lime juice.
It's like a spicy pop.
Yeah, a little kick to it. All right, guys, let's not run this video.
Oh yeah,
we said we'll keep this 5-6
okay?
minutes, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that bing, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content, guys. Y'all make sure y'all share these videos out. Y'all, we have a playlist of, we will have a playlist of 31, at least 31 videos, 31 videos. And we still got a long way to go, guys, of black-owned spirits. Black-owned cocktails using black-owned spirits, guys. So share this out. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Y'all make sure y'all recap these videos. Go ahead and recreate these videos. Tag us.
I would love to see.
I would like to see someone recreate some of these videos with these black-owned spirits. Switch out the black-owned spirits. Instead of 716, King 79. Use Black Lee. Use Timeless Vodka. Use Tuss Vodka.
So cute. I would
No,
love
whatever
that.
black on vodka that you have, use that, guys. But recreate and tag us, guys. That's it, man. Y'all make sure you follow us on Instagram. Sipping with me now, baby. Tell them the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
You can get the content creators. You got content creators, dope in real life, God first, the merch. You get the Sipping with Me Now cup. Baby, tell about the Me Now cruise.
Me and I cruise is 2023. It is from
June 12th
through the 16th. So if you haven't locked it in, go ahead and lock it in because we're waiting for you.
All right, guys, we love y'all, and we'll see y'all tomorrow with day 6. I think tomorrow's gonna be the Cosmo. Another request. I forgot who told. So many requests. I think Cosmopolitan is tomorrow. It'll be the Cosmo. So that's another request. Today was a request, I believe, from either Life with the Logans or Laura Moya.
And then vice versa. Tomorrow's request is one or the other. So y'all know which one y'all
request.
request.
It's one of y'all, but yeah, Cosmo gonna be tomorrow, guys. And then we got the Catrins gonna do a video with us on their record, which is the Blue MF. And then we got some more heat coming rest of the week, guys. So stay tuned. Day 14 today, day 15 today. 15. Tomorrow, day 16. We love y'all.
Love you guys.
We out.